Hey there, my name is Jude Haidar. I'm a freshman at the University of California, Davis, studying chemistry. I first want to say thank you to Dr. Liao for inviting me to attend and celebrate the celebration of the Newest Emeriti. Of all the presentations that I really enjoyed, there was one presentation that I both enjoyed and related to, and that was Dr. Andre Scholla's presentation on structural determinants of a student's mental health. More specifically, he brought up how there were 3 structural factors that affect racial discrimination, as a result, a student's stress level and their mental health. These 3 factors include structural factors, interpersonalized, and internalized factors. Internalized factors, such as when an individual develops a negative stigma or belief about themselves or people like them. Interpersonal, when an individual from a more dominant group enacts negative feelings or beliefs on a less dominant group. And then we have structural factors where policies on an institution or school board can develop these racial discriminations. I thought this was all really interesting, and how Dr. Scholla was able to tie that into how it affects one's internal stress and their ACEs, also known as adverse childhood experiences. I do want to say thank you to everyone who presented, and that includes Dr. Andre Scholla, Gepps, Pesa, Hernandez Avila, Shapiro, Cherry, Risbud, Britt, and Chirdima. I really appreciate you all. Thank you!